Hey guys, welcome back to RovitaS with our second recipe of Navratri special. So today we are gonna make buckwheat cutlet or Kuttu Ki Tikki. So let's get started. For this you need boiled and mashed potato, buckwheat flour, chopped coriander, chopped green chilies, oil to grease your hands and fry, salt, rock salt in case you are fasting. In a bowl, take boiled and mashed potato and add buckwheat flour to it. Now add chopped green chilies, and chopped coriander. Add some salt according to your taste and mix all the ingredients very well. Mix well to form a sticky dough, and you can add more buckwheat flour if required. Now grease your hands and take a small portion of the dough. Roll it between your hands to shape it into a round cutlet. Make all the cutlets in the same way. You can give them any shape using a mold. Heat some oil in a pan and add the cutlets to it. Flip them over to fry evenly from both the sides. Fry the cutlets till they become brown and crispy from both the sides. Now take them out on a plate and they are ready to serve. You can have these cutlets with green coriander chutney or curd or both. Please go ahead and try this recipe not only for Navratri but also as your tea time snack. Tell us how much you like it in the comment section and hit the bell icon to stay updated for many more upcoming recipes. Also, please subscribe to RovitaS to live the life you love and stay happy.